Hello student, welcome to all of you. Previous lecture we are discuss matrices, definitions of matrices, addition of two matrices, properties of matrix, existence of additive identity. These are the properties of matrix. Total 4 properties of addition of matrix. Today, now start one example. Give an example of matrices A and B are such that A does not equal to 0, B does not equal to 0, but AB is equal to 0. Matrix types of matrix आपण बघितलेले. Is it right? See, proof. Let A is equal to, in this example, two matrix A and B. Let A is equal to this matrix. This matrix is order 2 by 2, and B is equal to again this matrix also 2 by 2. Both our matrix are A does not equal to 0 and B does not equal to 0. That is, here A does not equal to 0 and B does not equal to 0. Your question is AB is equal to 0. AB is equal to, now prove AB is equal to, the A value this, and B is equal to this, multiply AB is equal to, the multiplication of two matrices, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. The solution is AB is equal to 1 minus 1 0, also second element 0, third 0 and fourth 0. Now prove that A does not equal to 0 and B does not equal to 0, but AB is the solution is 0. Thus A does not equal to 0 and B does not equal to 0, hence AB is equal to 0. Again one example, if A is equal to this matrix, first row 0 0, second row 2 0, 2 by 2 matrix, show that A square is equal to 0. We know the value of A matrix, this A matrix, show that A square is equal to 0. Here A square, the A square is equal to A into A is equal to this matrix into again A, multiplication of two matrices is equal to this solution is equal to, final solution is 0 0 0 0. Thus A square is equal to 0, where as A does not equal to 0. Note that hence from A square is equal to 0 we cannot conclude that A is equal to 0. Student, next example, if A is equal to this matrix is order 3 by 3, this is a square matrix, and B is equal to also square matrix, this matrix is order 3 by 3, find AB and BA and show that AB does not equal to BA. So students, example है, if A is equal to this matrix and B is equal to this matrix, find AB. अगोदर आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे, AB काढायचं आहे, म्हणजे काय A into B and BA. त्यानंतर काय करायचं आहे, B into A, AB जे सोल्युशन येईल तेच BAचं येणार नाही, हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, प्रूफ करायचं. ओके, लेट सोल्युशन. Hence this A is a 3 by 3 matrix and B is also 3 by 3 matrix. AB and B are both defined and are matrices of the same order 3 by 3. First, we prove AB. AB is equal to, this matrix is A, the matrix is B, is equal to multiplication of both matrices. AB's solution is first row 4 4 minus 2, second row 1 minus 1 1 10, and third row minus 1 5 minus 4. कशा सोल्युशन आलं ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए आणि बीचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर सोल्युशन आला हे त्याची ऑर्डर आहेत 3/3. नाव बी ए इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन बी इज वैल्यू ऑफ मैट्रिक्स and A is matrix. BA is equal to multiplication of BA is a solution of first row minus 5 0 7, second row minus 4 5 3, and third row 5 4 1. Hence AB is equal to value and BA is equal to value is totally different. Hence AB does not equal to BA. That is a proof. Okay. Now again example, by using principle of the mathematical induction, prove that if A is equal to this matrix, then A raised to n is equal to this matrix, n being the positive integer. This is a 1 and 3 and 4 example is homework. Now next definition. Dear students, see if on another example, if A alpha is equal to, the matrix is first row cos alpha sin alpha, second row minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that A alpha into B alpha is equal to A alpha plus beta is equal to A beta into A alpha. क्या प्रूफ होता है? You know the value of A alpha, then show that क्या प्रूफ करायचं आहे? A alpha into B alpha is equal to A alpha plus beta is equal to A beta into A alpha. See, first upon A alpha into A beta is equal to, we know the value of A alpha, this value is A alpha cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, this into A beta is value, this value is A beta cos beta sin beta minus sin beta cos beta, multiplication of two matrices, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column, like that. Cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos beta, second cos alpha sin beta plus sin beta cos alpha, second row minus sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, then last minus sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta is equal to, the matrix is cos alpha plus beta second row sin alpha plus beta, next sin alpha minus sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta. Hence we write that cos alpha plus beta is equal to A alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta is equal to A alpha plus alpha into beta is equal to A beta into A alpha. Okay, thank you students. I understood that. Next lecture, some definitions of idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix and involuntary matrix. Stop here.